Hi, it's Chris from Benco. And think about how much technology has changed in the last 10 years. Then ask yourself, why are we still using this? Doesn't make sense, does it? We are all very familiar with Zoom and the tone that it set. But that was over 10 years ago. Technology has become so advanced since then. If you're not familiar with Zoom, one of the things that it does is pound a lot of heat into your mouth that'll actually dehydrate the teeth, which will cause sensitivity, uncomfortableness, and also it can be very painful. And that goes on for 2.5 hours. So you wonder why your Zoom light is sitting in the corner as the patients walk by to go to their operatory and not asking for Zoom whitening to be done? They don't want to go through the pain and agony as they did before. So they settle for bleaching trays, which is a very economical way of doing things, but it doesn't generate a lot of dollars for you. And neither does a Zoom light that sits in the corner holding up scrubs, maybe a purse, something like that. So it's time to move away from the older technology and go with something that doesn't create dehydration of your teeth, doesn't create sensitivity, uncomfortableness, and plus you're not taking up almost 2.5 hours of chair time. Glow Science has come into the market and brought a new whitening system that is the biggest innovation in whitening in over 10 years. Over the last few weeks, I have been posting on my Facebook page the phenomenal results that we've been having with Glow Whitening. On an average, we've been seeing about 5 shades in about 50 minutes. And that's just phenomenal. The most we've seen have been 12 shades in that 50-minute time frame. What I'd like to do now is show you the actual kits themselves. There's 2 different versions. There's a take-home kit and there is the in-office. I'm going to start off with the take-home kit because it is by far the easiest. It comes in this real nice white package with the blue zipper on it, and it is the easiest thing that you will be able to do. It's a complete handoff. A lot of offices are saying, oh, well, we do opalescence. Well, that's old technology as well. With this, you're going to be able to get 5 shades in 5 days. When your patient gets home and opens their kit, this is exactly what they'll see. Power station, mouth guard holder, and zippered pouch for their compules. One of the things I mentioned earlier about Zoom was being uncomfortable. You're uncomfortable for 2 reasons. One, you have a lot going on in your mouth. There's a lot of heat being pounded in there. And 2, you're sitting in a dental chair from 2 hours and 15 minutes to 2 hours and 30 minutes. Very uncomfortable. One of the great ideas that Glow Whitening has come up with is they put their power station on a lanyard. So that way you can kind of walk around the house, do whatever you need to be doing. You don't have to be stopped and confined to get your whitening done. The next thing that your patient would do is plug the mouth guard into the power station, and then they would open one of the carpules that we have of whitening, and they would paint that on their teeth. Next, the patient would insert the mouth guard. They would do that for 4 sessions of 8 minutes, and then they would continue to do that for the next 4 days after. Maintenance is really easy. It's the same exact process, and you'll be able to carry the refills at your office to help them out with. The in-office is very similar, except you're going to be using a higher dose of the whitening. It's going to be a 25 and 30% peroxide. And you're also going to need to place a gingival dam, put some cotton rolls in, and a cheek retractor. Pull out the mouth guard, suck the spit away, reapply the whitening, put the mouth guard back in, press the button, mouth guard will light up for another 8 minutes. That's all it is. So that's a total of 4 comfortable 8-minute sessions. It's that simple. A few questions I always get. Is this available through other retailers? No, it is not. It's an exclusive through Benco Dental. We will be able to supply you with the take-home kit, the in-office kit, and also the refills. I also get asked, what type of sensitivity are you seeing? And in all the demos that we have done so far, we have had 0 sensitivity. Another question I always get is the cost. How much is it going to cost me to get in the game? I'm not allowed to discuss pricing on any of these videos, but I will say kit to kit, it's about 30% less, not including the chair time. You're looking at 2 hours and 15 minutes for Zoom and about 45 to 50 minutes with Glow. That speaks for itself. Another question that comes up is how much should the office be charging? And that's going to vary from office to office. In office can go anywhere from $450 to $550, depending on the area. Take home, you're looking at anywhere from $250 to $300. Again, it's all based upon your area. Another question I get is, how do we try it? First of all, you contact me. I will contact the Glow Science rep. They will call the office, set a time where they will send you an in-office kit, and you pick a patient, and we go from there. Glow Science is the advanced technology in whitening. If you would like more information or you would like an in-office demo, feel free to comment me. You can private message me below. Or if you have a friend that may be interested in this video, please share and like. I do appreciate it, and I'm grateful for your business.